San? Hi! Lismag akong ilong. Okay. Let's go! What is that you see in mommy? Eat so mommy will not get sleeper. Meshi?
No.
Meshi?
No. No.
You want sleeper?
No.
Yusuf, you want sleeper? Eh?
No, no, no.
What's your name?
No.
No? Your name is no?
Yeah.
Sita? Yeah.
Yeah.
Talia?
Me.
Me? Baby. Ada, who's this? Who's this? Magsundo mi kay Ruwaida sa ubos. Can you see? It's so messy. Kay nag-weekend mi sa mother-in-law na ako. Kaya gubot kay ang balay. Dagan kay kog piluno. Dagan kay kog hugason. Saya Tanya will go pick up ate in the school bus. Don't put in your mouth. Magluto pa ko. Yala, habibi. Yala. Wait. Yala. And the school bus will message us now. I will cook cauliflower, guys. As you can see, cauliflower. And boil ako. Then, kalat pa kayo ako. Misi. Kasi pag 5 a.m. mumata na ko, mag-prepare ko sa akong anak sa school, lunchbox, i-prepare siya, breakfast niya. Ngayon, karon halaga ulan man siya, uy. Tapos magbitbit pa ko ni Yusef. It's raining outside. We'll bring umbrella. Ayan. Gamay mo na akong umbrella, uy. What I will do? Di yun po na ako pwede biyaan yung mga bata di sa balay.
Mama?
Don't put in your mouth, huh?
Mama, me?
Aywa, we will go out and you don't be noisy and Yusuf is sleeping. What did you do to your hair? Kiss mama. Hala. You don't like kiss mama? What? You bet. Kiss mama. Kiss mama. No wipe. Don't be noisy and Yusuf sleeping, huh? pag maingon na sila og sa name sa street tapos get ready, mag-ready na ko karon tapos manaog nami kay naay bata tapos sa stairs pa naman langan kay naay bata. Di ko kadagan, hindi ako makakatakbo. Kaya siya. Guys, gising na akong Yosef. Ashi. Magsundo nami sa iyang ate and we will put ilagay kita dito sa carrier, habibi, ha? Baby! Na. Hindi. Say hi! Hi, friends! Eh? There! Na! Kulit-kulit ang hair na. Ashi. Hi! Hi! Yalla, habibi, mesh! Where's your shoes? Get your shoes, yalla. Ay, diri naman sa ubos sa building, guys. Magkuha mi sa akong anak na si Ruwaida sa school. Akong ba na opening siya, so ako ang magkuha sa iya, ha. Ingani na siya pag ako ang magkuha, magbitbit ko sa duha ka bata. Carry. Hundala. Ready to go down? Yeah, Talia. Ready? Yay! Yalla, hold mommy. Ready, Alyssa? Yay! There. Yeah, let's go. Wait. Siya ko eh. Talia, I will open the door. Open it.
Mama. Mama.
Balloon.
In the street, I saw it when I was.
In the street, you bring it here?
I saw it in beside the car kida here.
Taibiani, not dirty, ha?
Oh, see?
Yala, Talia.
That.
Hold on. Yeah, it's raining. Yala, let's go.
Mama, we need to make cloud. Mama, tomorrow party.
Yeah, I know. Yala, open.
And I need to go. Mama, I need to wake up early. So the teacher.
What time?
Eh?
What time? Close that one. Yala, Talia. Hold mommy. What time? Same in the school time, right?
The party will start with us. And little bit.
Slowly, huh?
Wake up me at night tomorrow, not in morning.
Lisngag akong ilong.
Eh?
Hangak. Hangak kay Yusuf sa. Na naming abot na miya. Badin ba? Yalla. Oh, eat ya habibi. Hey, Yusuf. Mommy carry you? Mommy carry bag? Yalla, let's go home na. Yalla, and it's heavy and Sundo ko na si Ruwaida. Yan, Diyos ko, loling. Ata ni mo, Yusuf. Ay, you are heavy, langga. Langga. Yusuf. Don't sit down. Ate.
Bessie,
Why?
I need to wake up early and I need to go early.
Right now. Yalla, go up, yalla. Yalla, habibi, go up. Ay. Yusuf, are you okay? Mommy is not okay. You're heavy a bit. Ay, wala. You're heavy, ya Yusuf. Oh my God, Nancy, Yusuf. You're heavy. Oh my goodness. I think you are more heavy than mommy. Ah, kahangak ba? Ah. Ang building na to guys, walang elevator. Kaya, kahit pa paano, nasa 4th floor lang naman kami. You want to show you, Mesh? This is my daughter, Rawaida. Hi! This is my daughter, Talia. Say hi! Hi! And this is Yusuf, my son. Hi! 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 Hi, Habibi! Tomorrow is your party? Yay!
Oh, dance. Cause you said I went to I live
Yalla, let's go up na, Yusuf. And Yusuf, it's so heavy. Wala lasting. Ay, nako.
in